If the mirror of mind is wiped clean, time and again, and uncluttered with objects and circumstances, study, reflection, and meditation present a clear impression. And what is there to prevent the dawn of Dharma's light? Hunger, thirst, cold, and the like all forms of physical affliction, together with sadness, fear, and all such mental suffering, can, through the teachings, enhance the purifying path, and unburdened by avoidance or indulgence, adorn the mind. The pleasures of the five senses, longed for by the foolish, are not to be found in solitude as they are among the devas, but joys of Dharma in their hundreds, lauded by the wise, are more abundant in a lonely forest than in Tuṣita's paradise.